The Ministry of Health has confirmed an increase in influenza and COVID-19 cases on island, linked to the influx of visitors during the recently concluded 2025 carnival season. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sean Charles noted that while COVID-19 was never eradicated, it is common to see a rise in influenza cases around this time of the year. He urged the public to remain mindful of the serious health impacts, especially with the official opening of the new school year.
What is of great concern to us is that all of this coincides with the opening of schools. And we all know what happens during the opening of schools. We have children from all around the world congregating in classrooms, and this tends to accelerate whatever is circulating, it tends to accelerate the spread around the island. So, the Ministry of Health thought it, prudent to advise that, listen, we are seeing a rise in the number of cases of, acute respiratory infections. And in addition, we have seen a rise in the number of cases of COVID-19 as well.
Dr. Charles added that although there have been no reported spikes in hospital admissions for respiratory infections, it does not mean individuals are not at risk.
Young children, especially those under 5, pregnant women, persons with chronic health conditions, all of these individuals are at increased risk for severe illness. Anyone whose immune system is not as strong as a result of one condition or the other, these persons are all at risk for severe illness should they become infected, not just with COVID, but even with other flu viruses such as influenza and respiratory syncytial virus, etc.
He reminded the public to adopt proactive and precautionary measures to help reduce the spread of these viruses.
Sometimes the most common interventions are the most effective. So one person's hand washing, extremely important, right? It's very important to wash hands, to avoid contaminating oneself. If one is sick, cover your cough and your sneeze, use tissue, dispose of it properly in a bin, wash hands afterwards, or use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. These are important. If you're sick, seek medical attention. Try not to expose others. Now, for the flu in general, our Ministry of Health generally brings in the vaccine against the flu virus.
Health officials are urging the public to remain vigilant, stressing that simple precautionary measures can go a long way in protecting families, classrooms, and the wider community. Rena Pierre Thomas, GBN News.